Good evening, class. This is Stephen Roseman for PMA 3, Reflections for the first week. The questions for this week are explain the difference between web-based applications and native applications on mobile devices. Um, Web-based applications can be used on various platforms and for the most part will based upon the screen size will change automatically opposed to a native app only working for that particular design. Um, web apps are, web apps run on most browsers, are easily enabled on smartphones, and so they should look the same across platforms. Um, for a developer, uh, they're a little bit less expensive to produce and a little bit less in man hours potentially. Um, Also, quicker to establish and easier to maintain, providing updates um, quicker or for the user quicker and more efficiently because the when a bug is fixed, the next time the user goes into the application, they automatically get what should be the correct and updated version. Whereas in a native app, the user has to do the work themselves to make sure they have the latest and greatest. Um, Native apps uh, can potentially be a little bit more user friendly since it's geared directly to that device and that platform to make sure it pops for that or should pop for that platform. Um, let's see, discuss why learning about web-based applications is more, or excuse me, is important and relevant to the industry in its current state. Being able to know which route you want to go, what's more important for that app, and then how it's going to function in that world. If you need tools that are going to require GPS um, and your camera to function in your app, as of right now, I don't believe that is possible. And going forward, I think it will be. But currently, I don't believe it is. So, in that case, you may need to do something that is native. Native apps, once again, tend to require a little bit more manpower, and can be a little bit more expensive to do. Um, so that's pretty much my thought process on the questions for this evening. I think. Oh, I forgot one. Evaluate the applications you currently use and identify whether they might be web-based, native, or a hybrid of the two. Um, the biggest app I use right now is uh, Words with Friends. Play that with my wife. So I believe that's native. They may run both, but I believe it's a native app. So that covers the basis for the night. Everyone have a good one. Talk to you later.